Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. So let's solve the given question here. If y equal to sine inverse of root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x upon 2, then what is the value of dy by dx? Okay. So what is the key concept here? Key concept is nothing but the inverse differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. Differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric functions by using substitution method. Okay, we use the substitution method. Using substitution method. Using the substitution method. So what we do, just write down the given function as it is, that is y equal to sine inverse of, in the bracket, root of 1 plus x. What will be the next? Plus root of 1 minus x whole divided by 2 bracket close. So we have to find the derivative of this function, right? So what can we do here, guys? We just substitute, put x equal to cos theta. So what will be the theta? Theta value will be cos inverse of x. So just substitute y equal to sine inverse of, in the bracket, root of 1 plus cos theta plus, in the second root, 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 2 bracket close. So guys, that 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2, right? 2 cos square theta by 2 plus square root of 1 minus cos theta will be 2 sin square theta by 2 bracket close whole divided by 2. So guys, it can be written as y equal to sine inverse of, in the bracket, if we took the root to common, you will be getting cos square theta by 2, square root will be cos theta by 2 plus sin square theta by, out of the square will be sin theta by 2 bracket close whole divided by 2 bracket close. So guys, it can be written as y equal to sine inverse of, this is the form of 1 by root 2 into cos theta by 2 plus cos plus, or 1 by root 2 into sin theta by 2. Okay. So guys, this is the form of, so 1 by root 2 is about sine 45, can be written as 1 by root 2. Yes. So it will be sine pi by 4 into sine theta by, sine pi by 4 into cos theta by 2 plus cos pi by 4 into sine theta by 2. So guys, the expansion of this equation can be written as sine inverse of sine of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So guys, sine inverse of sine will be the theta only. So it becomes pi by 4 plus theta by 2. But replace, what is y? What is theta here? Pi by 4 plus theta will be cos inverse of x divided by 2. Okay. So if you differentiate with respect to x, you will be getting dy by dx equal to pi by 4 differentiation will be 0 plus cos inverse x differentiation will be the minus 1 upon 2 root of 1 minus x square. So guys, your final value of dy by dx will be minus 1 upon 2 root of 1 minus x square. So this will be your final answer. Minus 1 upon 2 root 1 minus x square. So let's check which option is correct one. So minus 1 by 2 upon root of 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Option number B will be the correct option, guys. I hope everybody has understood this question. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.